So here's how you can use Wix bookings. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out any important steps. So the first thing you're going to do is open up any browser in your system. Head on to the search box and write www.wix.com. Now click on the first link, www.wix.com, here the top right corner on login. If you have created an account, then log in. Otherwise, create an account, enter your email and password here to click on login. Here is a dashboard page of Wix. Now we have to create a website here in the top left corner. Click on My Site. After that, we click on Go to My Site. Then all we have to do is click on the Create a New Site. He will ask us what kind of website you want to build. For now, we'll skip it. Then we will have some options in front of us. Then we will tick on the booking option and click Skip. After that, we will click on Begin with a Template. Now we will search for any template. We will go to any template and edit it. Now you can edit it as you want. Look at the left side of your page. Some options will be visible. Click on the third option page and menu. Then click on the Add option. After that, click on the blank page, then name this blank page Booking. After that, close it now. Look again on the left side. There will be a fifth option to add apps. Click on it. Now we search for bookings. After that, click on Wix Booking, which I already have installed. If you don't have it installed, install it. Then we will go back to my page. After that, we will go back to our home page. Then we will go down a little bit. Then we will see the option of Mange Services and click on it. Then our Booking Services dashboard will open. After that, we will click Add New Services in the top right corner. Then it will ask us about some service types. We have to give service details. Some price and payment information must be provided. After that, your location to tell. Then click on the booking calendar. My booking calendar is already set. If you want, you can edit the session from this menu. After that, we will close the booking calendar and return to our home page. Then we will publish the website that we have created. Click on the Publish option in the upper right side corner. After clicking on Publish, we'll click on Done. After that, our bookings will be completed.